Hi everybody, it's Miss Emily from the Brentwood Public Library again, and today we are going to be making origami sunglasses. And what's even more special than the fact that they are cool sunglasses that you can wear is that we're going to be making it with a regular size piece of paper. Regular letter 8.5 by 11 size paper, which is the best. Okay, so to begin, we're going to do corner to corner. And I know that it matches up kind of oddly, but that's fine. So we got corner to corner, and then we're gonna fold it in half so it almost looks like a triangle, but it has this weird little piece at the end. So line those up, and there you go. All right, now we have to open it back up, all that hard work you just did, because we need to fold it the opposite corner. So you have one that's pointing up and all the others are pointing down. So we need to fold this one so that that one is also pointing down. So there you go. Okay, so now we're gonna take this flat end and we're gonna fold it up to this little valley in between these two triangles that we have at the top, like this. So we're already starting to make our sunglasses. These are like the lenses and this is like the frame. So then we're gonna fold this one more time to the top and once more, so 3 times total. You got it. Then these ones, these lenses, as you can see, are just pointy. So we wanna fold those in a bit. So you just fold the corners up. I usually have to readjust them after I'm all done to make sure that they're even. But after you have your 3 folds this way, then you can fold them so they have the arms like this. And there you go. Your sunglasses are done and you can even wear them. They're a little bit small, but you can. So there you go. So tag us if you make your own and I want to see you wearing them, okay? See you next time. Bye.